morning, good afternoon, happy Sunday, everybody. Whoa, a big 5-hour show over on QVC in the kitchen with David. We have count them, four awesome items, which I'm super excited to share with you. 2 of them are on free shipping and handling. 2 of them are on a Black Friday sale price. 1 of them is brand spanking new. And I couldn't be more excited. Hey, Betsy. Hi, Sarah. Good morning, everybody. Hey, Terry, Tina. Hello. So in typical fashion, right? We are going to be on air. We have a refrigerator being delivered. I mean, life goes on, right? Working from home, ding dong. The refrigerator's here. I mean, Lisa's here, so she's going to help out. Ed's mingling around somewhere else. You know, it's all good. Hey, Jimmy, good morning. Good morning, Monica, Karen. Hey, Fran. Fran said, well, hi, gorgeous. Well, hello. When you greet me like that, I love it. Thank you. I actually darkened my hair a little bit, and I'm kind of liking it. I said to Lisa this morning, I felt a little like I was a brunette, and now I'm back. I'm back, baby. I'm back. I like it. Hey, everyone. Hi, Dawn. All right, I know. Someone wrote the other day, Lisa, I don't know if you saw it, Tara, you're a sweet girl, but get to the point. I actually was like, here I was just trying to share a little, talk a little, instead of just, hitting you over the head with all the awesome deals and fun, exciting things we have going on. So I'm a nice girl, but I'm just going to get to the point, okay? And then we can chit chat afterwards. All right. Woo! Let's talk. All right. So first up, you guys, I can't even stand it. Who remembers this? Didn't it? I know. This was the very first set that I ever launched 152 years ago on QVC. And you guys absolutely loved it. You haven't seen it since. This was in 2018 years ago. But look, we actually did an updated rendition of it in our banana leaf baskets in our beautiful loaf pans. So here's the deal. You are going to receive 2 loaf pans of your color. Then you are going to receive 2 of the banana baskets. All right, hold on. I want to show you. Lise, could you come help me? Of course. She's the best. I'm going to have her flip that stuffing into the carrier so that you can see. So literally, Angie, hit us with it, Tara.
Let's go. You're a nice girl.
Let's go. Yeah, you're a nice girl, but stop talking.
You're a nice girl, but let's go.
So you come out of the oven. And you put it in the basket and bring it to the table. That is amazing.
Seriously.
All hand done, all hand woven, which is amazing. Oh, yeah. Lisa and I were talking about how there's highs and lows. Just want you to see all of that totally normal, comes from nature, so you can really see some are dark spots, light spots, medium spots, all of that. Okay, so the deal is, did you put that link in? There's already a link in.
I put 3 in.
She's amazing. This, you guys, is a Black Friday special price. It is under $30 for 2 hand-painted stoneware loaf pans with their baskets. And it is the only order of the year. And you guys, the best news, besides the fact that we're eating